I can't believe it's come down to be our last port day of this cruise, but no time to be sad because today we get to see Cabo San Lucas. Come along with us on this adventure. Before we get off the ship for the Isle of Cabo, we came out on the Lido deck to experience the towel animal takeover. I just had to stop and take a picture, or better yet, a video of all of these wonderful towel animals. I just really think it's such skill, the way that they fold these into different animals and they put signs on them, and they are everywhere on the Lido deck. They are in every available chair. They're at the bars, they're at the lounges. I just thought that was really cute. So come and take a look at the animals with us. So the way it works here for Carnival for Cabo, you have to get onto a water shuttle. But the water shuttles are located directly at the door. So no fuss, no muss. No coconuts, it was very easy. Here on the island, and we are ready to go. Decided to take another tour to take the island in, and it includes a glass bottom boat. If I'm not mistaken, this tour was $40 for 4 hours. So come along and enjoy the sights, learn some stuff, and let's have some fun.
That building that is falling apart was the first business for Cabo. In the 70s is when the first hotels came. In the 80s, there was the big resorts. Because the legend says that the pirates, you know, there were pirates also here in the Pacific. Not only call it Poor People Beach because over here is no tourists to buy souvenirs. Yeah. Right hand side, that's a marina. So those yachts are for rent. If you want to know the prices,
Yes.
you can call these guys. Because I don't know.
Would you look at that? Another tequila tasting is included in the tour. Now, if you didn't see my other tequila tasting, check out our Puerto Vallarta video. I'll leave the link in the description below. You know, I didn't want to make him feel, uncomfortable or anything, so we decided to go ahead and taste some more tequila. Salud! If you want it, they've got it at the pharmacy. All right, it's time to head on over to Milky Beach. We had the opportunity to stop at this very cute beach and take a walk through. Come on along with us. Stopping here at Cabo, we've had a chance to get the famous Cabo sign, and now I'm going to get this and spin around here, but I won't go quickly. And I'm going to get a video of this, Don Yoka. Let's see. And then let me pan back a little bit and get the whole video.
Cabo means, if you search in the dictionary, point of or tip at the end of the land that rushes into the sea. The water in the bay, we call it the Sea of Cortez.
It is a tour of the glass factory. Here we go. This gentleman has been making glass figurines for 22 years. So we start off showing us this oven that they put this glass in, and he brings it back and he smashes it around in these small glass fragments here. And then it goes back into the oven and he returns, and now the magic begins. He rolls it around, and this pipe or stick or whatever that he has, it's a metal pipe and it's hollow so that he can blow into it. And as he blows into it, the glass then expands because it's so very hot and pliable, it expands on the other side. And then he's able to grab these tools that he has and shape this glass into many different forms. Let's take a look. this gentleman who has come along to help is an apprentice, and what we learned is you apprentice for 4 years full-time before you are able to successfully be considered an artist as a glassmaker. This is such a skillful task. Does anybody know what it is that he's making already? When were you able to figure it out? Now this is the final stretch, making the final touches to the hat, and so we can all see what it is now. It is a turtle with a hat. This was so cool. And please, how could we possibly forget to add the bottle of tequila that this turtle is drinking? So cool. Here's a quick look at the factory and some of the beautiful offerings that they have available.
We're getting ready to go on a glass bottom boat. Take a tour. I think it'll be fun. No, we're not surfing, but just in case you wanted to get a good picture, there you go. Let's go to the marina. So we are now ready for our glass bottom boat ride. I hope that it's not too much wind so that you can hear us. Ladies? Hello? Seagulls, I think girl. Our glass bottom to capture all of what we're going to see.
Is it a pirate ship?
Hope there's no pirates over there. But yes.
Okay. It's beautiful.
Oh, look at the fish. 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 Is it under our glass bottom?
Fish.
Oh, yeah.
Amigos, it's the Mexican piranha. Put your hand on the water, free manicure for you.
All right.
Yeah.
It's a protect area for snorkeling.
Oh, I didn't get into it.
Beautiful. You can see. This is why people snorkel, because you can be under there and see that.
We go far out.
So beautiful.
The jet skis in Cabo. Did you ride the jet skis in Cabo? Beach. On the other side is Divorce Beach. Scooby!
Oh, sure does.
Scooby! Why is this so beautiful? It does look like Scooby.
Oh my God! Rock is the most important place in Cabo San Lucas. Yeah, Carnival Rock is the famous arch.
The arch.
Oh, look at that.
A famous arch in Cabo. Look at these.
Because that rock apparently goes like the last point of the Baja Peninsula.
The last point of the Baja Peninsula. This rock right here. To the left is the Sea of Cortez, and to the right is the Pacific. We can't say we didn't go far.
Especially that jump up. I felt like, ooh, God, that was it. You thought that was an overpour? I thought, yeah. You thought we was in the water? Yeah. Woo. I'm holding on to this for dear life.
Yes, that's right. We're overcoming our fears.
That's right.
That's right.
That was so much fun. I can't believe it's already over. Back on the ship and it's time for formal night. So we got all diddied up and then we went out and talked to our cruise director, Marty. Here is a look at our dinner menu for formal night, and we will start off with the drinks.
Spicy chipotle pineapple martini.
That looks interesting. Ours tastes like.
Now it's time to explore the Havana bar, not when it's empty, but when it's in full swing with the music and the dancing. It was a lot of fun. Come take a look. Thanks a lot for joining us, Right Recipe for Travel family, on this adventure to Cabo San Lucas. There is still more to come. We have our final day, disembarkation, which is not so much fun, but still much more to go. Thanks for joining us.